Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews. As a seller, I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how most Amazon sellers forget this on Prime Day. Let's get into it. Many sellers spend weeks preparing for Prime Day, optimizing listings, lining up deals, and increasing ad spend. But once the event is over, sales often drop sharply. The main reason is that sellers don't plan for what comes next. Remarketing and retargeting are crucial for keeping momentum after Prime Day, yet they're one of the most overlooked steps. The first way to do this is with sponsored display. Unlike sponsored products or sponsored brands, sponsored display allows you to retarget audiences who already interacted with your product or with similar products. Inside sponsored display, you'll find remarketing audiences. By adjusting the look-back window to 14 days, you can specifically capture shoppers who viewed your product during Prime Day. This shouldn't stop at your own listings. You can also target audiences who browse similar items or your category as a whole. For example, if your product is a door stopper, you can retarget shoppers who looked at door stoppers across Amazon during Prime Day. To make this effective, set up the campaign in advance and schedule the start date for about a week after Prime Day. Let it run for at least a month to keep your brand visible while shoppers are still considering their options. The second strategy is coupons. Amazon's coupon system now allows you to target specific groups, and one of the best to use after Prime Day is brand cart abandoners. There are two versions, 7-day and 90-day cart abandoners. Right after Prime Day, the 7-day audience will be much larger than usual, since many shoppers will have added items to their carts but not checked out. When you launch a coupon for this group, Amazon notifies those customers that the product they were interested in now has a discount. It's a simple but powerful way to re-engage people who almost bought during Prime Day but didn't complete the purchase. The third option is brand-tailored promotions. This tool also allows you to target cart abandoners, though only within a 90-day window. It works best when launched about a week after Prime Day ends. The key here is to set the discount lower than your Prime Day deal, but still attractive. For example, if you offered 20% during Prime Day, follow up with 10%. This creates urgency by reminding shoppers they missed the biggest offer, but still have access to a worthwhile deal. Together, these three strategies, sponsored display remarketing, coupons for cart abandoners, and brand-tailored promotions, give you a complete post-Prime Day plan. Each method reaches a slightly different audience, but when combined, they maximize the traffic generated during the event and prevent the steep sales decline that many sellers face. Instead of treating Prime Day as a short-term opportunity, think of it as the beginning of a longer campaign. The extra visibility and traffic you receive are valuable, but only if you plan ahead to capture them afterward. With the right remarketing and retargeting setup, you can extend your sales boost, protect your ranking, and build stronger brand growth in the weeks following Prime Day. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.